indirectly reveal the nature of contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of the duties as Secretary to the Cabinet. So help me God.
Your Excellency, with your Cabinet having assumed office, it is now my humble duty and profound privilege to invite Your Excellency to convey your congratulations to your Cabinet, and thereafter, with Your Excellency's most kind and gracious indulgence, to grant your Cabinet a photo opportunity with their respective families, Your Excellency.